Sending money internationally has become easier and more accessible. So in this video, I am going to teach you the step-by-step guide to help you transfer funds securely and efficiently. So first, what you need to do is to choose the right money transfer service. Your choice depends on the destination, fees, speed, and the method your recipient prefers. So some of the best options include first, Remitly. So this is a reliable, affordable, and fast option for sending money globally. We also have Wise, offers excellent exchange rates and transparent fees. We also have PayPal. This is convenient for quick transfers but may have higher fees. And then lastly, we have Western Union, available in most countries for cash pickups. Now, for affordability and ease, Remitly is often the best choice. And you can use the link below to sign up and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Now, once you are into the tool that you are going to use, what you need to do is to sign up or log in. So create an account with your chosen service, and for this video, we are going to use Remitly. So again, once you have created your account, you just need to provide your identification details, which might include your ID or your passport, and then log in with your account or log in into your account if you've already registered. So after right here, first in Remitly, just hit the send money after selecting your destination country. Now fill in all of the needed information. So for this one, just need to type in your amount and you'll have an automatic conversion of the same amount for the corresponding currency. Select the delivery method. So for delivery method, you can go for mobile money, bank deposit, debit card deposit, and also cash pickup. So for bank transfer, this deposits directly into the recipient's bank account. For cash pickup, funds are available for collection at designated locations. And for mobile wallet, this sends directly to digital wallets like bCash or GCash. Now, once you have selected your payment method and delivery method, just type in the recipient's information, their name, middle name, and also their last name, and then the recipient's city. And after that, you just need to fill in all of your card information, the card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on your card. So then with Remitly, you will see all the fees and exchange rates up front, so there are no surprises. So after this step, you just need to review all the details to make sure they are accurate, confirm the transaction, and you receive a tracking number to share with your recipient. So after that, for the next step, you just need then to notify your recipient, let your recipient know the transfer is on the way. For cash pickups, provide them with a tracking number and ensure they bring their ID. And that's basically it. Sending money internationally can be quick and easy, especially with Remitly. Remember, you can sign up using the link below to get started and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.